So here's how to add auto subtitle with AI tools. And by the way, you can click on the link below to try out Gling AI so you can follow along with this tutorial, and it will be in the description down below. So now, once you are on Gling AI, just simply click on start for free over here. And after that, guys, just go ahead and sign up if you don't have an account, or you can just simply click on sign in over here and you can sign in using your Google. And now from here, guys, just simply drag your videos over here, or you can just simply click to browse on your desktop. And after that, just simply select a video that you want to edit and now click on open. And after that, you can just simply select a language. So in this video, it is on English. And from here, just simply click on continue. And after that, as you can see, you can enhance your video by cutting the silences or cut the bad takes. So it will be depending on you. So from here, I'm just gonna remove all of them because I will be using just the script and click on enhance and edit. And from here, guys, as you can see right away, you should be able to see here the script for your video. And now just simply go ahead and click on export over here on the top right and go for subtitles over here. So it will be an SRT file, and just simply select a location where you are going to save it and click on save over here. And now, once you have done that, let's go to CapCut. So guys, you can download this online for free. So just go ahead and access CapCut. And now from here, let's go ahead, create a project over here. And now just simply select your video, guys, and click on import over here and just select the video that you have. And now just simply go to text over here and go for local captions. And from here, click on import file and just simply select your SRT file that we just exported from Gling AI and click on open. And from here, just simply go to import again, add the video and just simply go to text and add the SRT as well. And as you can see, you should be able to add it. And now over here on the right side, you should be able to change the font and you can change the style of the text over here. So pretty much it will be depending on you. And now as you can see, you will have the script over here. And if you want to change it, you can just simply go to captions over here and you can just simply click on a specific part and you can just simply go ahead and tap on your keyboard enter, and as you can see it will cut the subtitle. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.